Hi everyone, I'm Kitcha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to Kitchen to HD. Today we're gonna make the famous magic bars. They're the easiest dessert ever. No, there is no whipping, no mixing, not even blending. And you just dump all the ingredients into a dish and then put it in an oven and bake it. It's that easy. So let's get started. I have baked the oven at 170 degrees Celsius, preheated it. First, let's add melted butter. Okay. Next, you have to add the powdered biscuit. Spread evenly. Spread evenly. Next, we're going to add nuts. Chopped nuts. I'm using almonds and cashew nuts. They are my favorites. Let's sprinkle these. Last of this. Okay, this made quite a mess. Next, let's add the desiccated coconut. Now for my favorite chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate and white chocolate chips. Okay, next let's add a can of condensed milk. Okay, now let's bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, good. Set. 35 minutes I put in it. It looks so yummy. I can't even wait to cut it or cool it. I just want to eat it. It looks and smells so yummy. After it cools down, you cut it into bars and it's time to taste. I can't wait. I wish I could eat it, but it's too hot. And I have cooled it down and cut it into bars. And now, taste time! It's so yummy. I can taste caramel, desiccated coconut, almost everything I can taste. I think I know why it's called a magic bar. It tastes like magic has gone through your mouth. I have one more piece. Granted. So yummy. I think the melted butter I got baked. It made it caramelly. That gave it its caramel flavor. The chocolate exploded. It was so yummy. So, thank you for watching Kitchen to HD. And please do try this at your home and comment down how it turned out and how it tastes. So, thank you for watching Kitchen HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye! Mwah.